The first topic we are learning is forming face shapes. Nose, eyes, eyebrows and mouth, hair, ears, right? Okay. Now the first we are going to see is forming face shapes. So here I am using a black ink pen. So what we should do always is see the picture and first you should draw the outline of the face. Whatever you are seeing, you should draw. Just a outline of the face. No construction, nothing, but the construction should be in your imaginary. So you can see a different types and different angle of shapes. That's what I explained in the previous classes regarding the theory, principle 1 and 2, right? Angle and anchor points, pivot points, we learnt about it. So here we are learning now is a forming faces. So you can copy the same thing in your art book, but whenever you are free, I want you to try a different types of faces in your rough book. If any doubts you have, you can ask me in a live session. Okay, forming faces we completed. We'll go for nose. It's like shaping your nose. Always you should draw what you see. Okay. So now, for example, if I am drawing a nose, here this will be the anchor and this two end will be the pivot points. I'll show another example. Now this 2 will be the enlarged with the pivot points. Now same nose, what I'll do, I'll drag in the other way. It means I dragged in this point. The pivot points will be changed. Always the anchor point will not change. And the same nose we can draw in the angle of, so it's enlarging like this. The pivot points is behaving like this. You can see the anchor point always in the center. It will not change. So what you want to do is always try with shapes using familiar lines. Try always with the types of shapes. Okay, then we'll go for the eyebrows. So here using an outline. So for example, when we are drawing the outline, we'll draw the outline and we'll start filling inside. Okay, the other one, again same technique, we'll draw both the sides, the strokes. The one more angle is, we'll not draw the outline, directly will draw the eyebrows. The only two ways we were using. See, before we were using a very cartoonic method, so from now onwards you should use in the way of this, because we learned what is anchor and what is pivot. Okay, see, I'll mention this was a page number 1, because the same topic I'll continue with the page number 2. So here I'm continuing with page number 2. So the next what we are learning is eyes will always give a good expression, what actually the character is doing, emotional, right? So here already we learned with the anchor point and other things, right? Always eyes will give a nice expression. When you concentrate for the eyes, it will give a good expression, right? So like this, try with the basic shape. That was we are learning in this classes. Try always with the basic shapes. Then see, something is sleepy eyes or something. Right? The next we'll go for the mouth. See, always mouth will work in a 3 method. One is in this and other one is in this, and the other one will explode like this, expand like this. Okay, this was the 3 ways of mouth we can try with the shapes. And the next we'll go for the hair. See, already we learned a face shape, right? Already we learned the face shape, and for this face shape you can give a simple and light stroke what the shape you are seeing in the picture. Okay, then I'll try one more. You can see, I'll draw, because caricature is nothing, we are imitating a character, right? We are imitating the character. Right, here hair is fine. The final topic will go for the ears. Okay, For this ears, anchor point always will be in this angle I'll give in the pencil. Then I'll draw the ears. So these types of angles we can see the ears. See, it means it will start, it will end. So you got the different anchor points, how ears will work, right? Yeah. The topic what we learn is forming face shapes, nose, eyes, eyebrows, mouth, hairs and ears. How to work in a shapes. The first we learned is a forming face shapes, shaping your nose, eyebrows using an outline and without outline. Eyes is, expression is very important for the eyes is, mouth, the very basic things with the using a shape how we should do, hair, ears within anchor points. Thank you.